All right, let's get practicing in QuickBooks Online. Grab the link below so that you can follow along. All right, here we are in the QBO gym. And the QBO gym is really just a set of numerous exercises that help simulate real life scenarios that you may encounter as a bookkeeper. Every single month, we come out with a new set of exercises for you to practice and complete, and we have it broken down into 4 different sections. So today we are going to be focusing in the August warm-ups section. At the top here is a video for you to watch. It talks about what's going on in Craig's world that month. He is our fictitious business owner. Further down is an interactive quiz to test your knowledge on what you just watched in the video. And then further down, we have all of the exercises in that section. So today we are going to be focusing on creating a sales receipt. We are going to be working in the sample company. This is where we always work. If you are not sure how to get into the sample company or how to get your own free QBOA account, just go ahead and click on the link below in the description. So our scenario today is that Amy from Amy's Bird Sanctuary stopped off at the office to pick up the 6 red salvia plants she had rush ordered from Craig. She paid $78 plus tax in cash, but Craig forgot to mention that there was also a rush fee. Amy didn't bring enough cash to cover that, so Craig agreed to invoice her for it later. We'll issue a sales receipt to record this first portion of Amy's purchase. And just a quick note here that all of the warm-up exercises, all 4 of them, need to be completed in the same sample company session. All right, so let's get started. In the left-hand navigation bar, we are going to click on the plus new button and then select sales receipt. So here we are in the sample company. This is the dashboard. So go ahead over here and click on this plus new button. And then under customers, you're going to see the sales receipt. Go ahead and click on that. And now we need to go ahead and fill it out. So in the customer field, we want to click the down arrow and select Amy's Bird Sanctuary. So you click on the arrow and Amy's Bird Sanctuary is right there on the top. So click on that. Her information will populate up at the top here. And then in the product and service, we're going to click in the blank space and a field will appear. And then we're going to click in the down arrow to create a new category because Craig does not currently track any kind of plants or flowers. So let's go ahead and add this. You click into this, you'll see that this comes up and click on the arrow. We're going to click on this plus add new. And this product service information will go ahead and show up. Since he doesn't maintain inventory of these plants, he is just going to buy them from the nursery as he needs them. So this is going to be a non-inventory product. So go ahead and click on non-inventory. And then we need to complete the form. So in the name field, we are going to type salvia. So go ahead and type that in. We could create a category for plants or flowers, but we're just going to leave that section blank for right now. And because this is an item that Craig sells, we have to leave the I sell this product service to my customers checked, which is this button right here. So make sure that that stays checked. The price may vary for this item, so we're just going to leave the sales price blank for right now. In the income field, we are going to select sales of product income. So leave this sales price blank for right now, and then go ahead and start typing in sales, and you'll see this populate, sales of product income. Click on that. And then we are going to make sure that because we purchased this item as well, we are going to make sure that the checkbox next to I purchased this product service from a vendor is also checked. So if we scroll down a little bit, you see here, go ahead and click on that. We're going to leave the cost field blank because that may vary. We're also going to leave the expense account as is, and that's because Craig may want to track this in a more specialized account, which you would have to ask him about, but the details of that decision are outside of the scope of this exercise, so go ahead and leave it blank. And then the preferred vendor is for purchase orders, which we're not using for this exercise, and we don't have a preferred vendor, so just go ahead and leave that blank. So now we're simply just going to click on the green Save and Close button. So all of these things are going to be left as is. Click on the Save and Close button, and you can see that it now has been saved as a non-inventory product. The product has been now that the product has been created, we're going to use it in the sales receipt. So in the quantity field, remember that she bought 6, so we're going to put 6, and then in the amount field, we're going to put $78 because that is what that's what she gave him. So you in the quantity, go ahead and highlight into it and click 6, and then you want to put in this amount field $78. If you tab over, you will see that the rate has now been calculated for you. This has been based off of the 78 divided by 6. QBO has gone ahead and done that for you. And then we are just going to go ahead and save and close. So click on the green arrow and then click Save and Close. And that sales receipt has now been recorded and saved. And if you have any questions about the QBO Gym, just go ahead and click on the link below in the description. Be sure to leave this session of the sample company open, as you will need it for the next exercise in this section, which is all about processing payments. And I will see you in that next video.